Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Fryer. Today is February the 10th, 2023. And in this screencast, I'd like to show you how you can create an audio interview that you share with ChatGPT for our lesson that we've been doing in class. So this lesson is actually on our lessons website. And you'll find this today in Google Classroom. And so you're going to be able to go to Google Classroom to find this. But for people watching this that may not have access to that Google Classroom, this is the brainstorming document that we created yesterday. So everybody brainstormed some characters and some conflict. And what I did was I put your conflict, your characters, the details into ChatGPT, and then I created a script. And at the beginning of that, I said, write a 500-word screenplay which features an interview between two people. Here are the details to include. And then I pasted in your brainstorm that you did. All right, so here's who is the better Tom. You can, first thing you're going to want to do with your group is you're going to select which one of these you're going to do. And basically you're free to edit this if you want to make a copy of this and change it. But you can see that there's three characters. There is really a narrator. If you want to set the scene with the narrator, there's a host, and then there's the two people, in this case Tom Holland and Tom Cruise. And so you can make any changes that you want to, but this is what you're going to record. All right, so what I recommend is that on one iPad or laptop you have the script up, and then with your iPad, or one iPad I guess for your group, you're going to go ahead and open up Voice Record Pro. So I'll go ahead and open up the Voice Record Pro app. Remember that this app is free. You're going to go ahead and click record on it, and then you're going to click start. The camera pans in on a well-lit modern television studio where two chairs are facing each other. In one of the chairs sits Tom Holland, 26 years old, with a cheerful and confident smile. In the other sits Tom Cruise, 60 years old, with a serious and focused look. The two Toms are about to have an interview about a highly debated topic. Who is the better Tom? Welcome to the show, Toms. And you can see how that's going to go. And you're going to change and alternate. So there'll be three of you that are going to be recording. Somebody's the host. And if you want to read the narrator part, you can do that too. Somebody's going to be character one. Somebody's going to be character two. Okay, let's pretend like we're done. I'm finished. So I'm going to go ahead and click stop here in Voice Record Pro. And then I'm going to want to share this file from that iPad. Now, I want you to put a picture from Unsplash on this video. And so you're going to make this audio file into a video. So what we're going to need to do is go to Safari, and we're going to go to Unsplash, and we're going to find a picture that relates to the interview of what we're going to do. Now, if we put in, I don't actually think Tom Cruise is going to be in here. I'm not even spelling his name right. Why can I not type a C? C-R-U-I-S-E. I think what I might do is Spider-Man, because see, I'm not seeing anything for Tom Cruise. I see cruise ships, other things like that, but I bet that there's going to be something that's going to be a Spider-Man. Look at that. There's some different Spider-Man things, and these are different images that people have taken. So remember in Unsplash, you're going to tap the picture, and I recommend you tap the corner icon there and choose medium. And so you're going to view this image on your iPad, and then when you tap and hold, you're going to save to photos. All right, so now this picture is inside my photo roll. If I look at my photos, look at my albums, my recents, okay, here it is. All right, there it is. There's the picture. So now I'm ready to put this into Voice Record Pro. I'm going to do that by tapping the icon here that looks like a picture, and I'm going to choose albums. You may have to give permission for this to happen the first time, and then you can pinch and zoom to the part of the picture that you want. But basically that's going to fill it up, and you're going to close it. What's cool about this is the video you're going to create and turn in is going to be it's going to have an image on it, and that's a little more interesting than just seeing something that's dark and doesn't have a picture. All right, so again, unsplash and pick some kind of picture that has something to do with the story that you're recording. Okay, now at this point you could tap save to Google Drive and directly save in Google Drive, and you'll have to log in. The other thing that you can do is you can tap the saved in photo album. Okay, and when you tap this, you choose the template that you want. So you're gonna swipe, and I recommend that you do one of these towards the end You don't have to have the date and time and everything. If you go to the very last template, it's simply going to have the picture, and that's fine. But it's up to you. You can do any of these that you want, but I want you to use the picture. And then when you tap continue, it's going to actually save it, and that's been saved into the photo album. Okay, so at this point inside my photo album, I have a new recording that I can share. Okay, and the process from here is going to be going to Google Classroom, which I think I put in my share album. And you're going to be able to turn it in on that assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, and you're just going to turn it in from the photo album. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop there because you know how to turn things in Google Classroom. So on this assignment, we're actually going to turn it in 3 places. You're going to turn it in on Google Classroom, you're going to turn it in on Seesaw, and then if you're willing to share this outside our class, if everybody in the group, all 3 people need to agree, then I have a Padlet link where you can share that as well. Okay, good luck, have fun, and I look forward to hearing your interviews with characters and stories created by ChatGPT. And you're collaborating, you're augmenting your creativity with ChatGPT here.